So before starting the speech, I am very, very happy that all our teachers has come today and all our seniors have come today. It is a very great event for us and we all have enjoyed it. I am very emotional actually. So today I want to say about all my seniors who have taught many things in my life. First, when I came, I was studying Umas as a student, so sir taught me many things. So I am always indebted in life to our respected sir.
Any important lesson?
I am really grateful to you sir and all my teachers who have enlightened me so much in this knowledge, sir, my Sam sir, my madam, and all the sirs. I am really indebted to you, sir. Actually, I was even preparing for that teachers day, but that event couldn't come. I was excited to speak something on the teachers day, but I could not, sir. So, sir, really sorry for that. And all my seniors, I will be telling about all my seniors, all my 14 seniors. I will be speaking all about them. So first, I will be speaking about my Samuel Bhai, who is all my favorite. So when I came, I was coming with a cycle. And Samuel Bhai and me, we used to come with a cycle. Samuel Bhai taught me LP, taught me rural language, though it many times failed. Till now it's failing many times. Samuel Bhai is very close to my heart. He is like my heart actually. He taught me like even my girlfriend is even a little jealous of Samuel Bhai. Please don't take anything seriously, sir. Next coming Deval Bhai, actually he is like my teacher actually. Every day he awareness what note you are putting, what you are doing. Actually Deval loves me so much actually. He taught me many things. Even any case come to our ward, we used to discuss what kind of different diagnosis. Many times I failed, and Deval always taught me actually. And he whenever would do any strike like COVID posting or etc. Near superintendent office, Deval was one of the leader of our batch. So we all have batchmates is thankful to Deval. Now coming to Puthu Didi, yes. When I was in undergraduate days, I used to sit in the library. Puthu Didi used to come to the same library where I used to study. And today also after getting PG also, Puthu Didi is going to the same library where I am going. So Puthu Didi is from my childhood days. She is very cute and she is like very emotional also. She is always happy. I never saw like taste or something like that. So Puthu Didi. Next coming to Ansar Bhai, yes. Ansar Bhai, one of the caring Bhai. He is like very silent, but it is one of the most genius. Whatever I thought, he is like very caring towards the patient. Even though a engineer do not do anything, he is scolding. He is very caring towards the patient. That is a very great one of the great things about this Ansar Bhai. Next coming to Ashish Bhai, yes. Ashish Bhai always call me, "Arey Misra, again touch Actually, I like that so much, and Ashish Bhai always means and he is always in smiling face. And in that event of Mayfair, I still remember how Ashish Bhai did. It was like a very great moment also. Ashish Bhai is one of the means when you come to the stage and when he speaks in that seminar, it's like a awesome thing. His vocabulary in English is extraordinary. Means I think no one can cope up with his speech, what he speaks in seminar. His way of talking, his type of English, just like you are in one of the great guy or gals in English. Vishwas Bhai, yes, Vishwas Bhai. Now Vishwas Bhai is going to get married, so he has got a new hairstyle. He is one of the handsome guys. And he always asks me, okay, Rulik, how is my hairstyle? And we always say, Bhai, it was a great hairstyle. Bhai, very handsome, Bhai is going to get married. So Bhai, we wish a happy Valentine from all of us, Bhai, from John Second and all of us. Now next coming to Rakesh Bhai. Yes, Rakesh Bhai, you can see he is the most handsome. I think no one can cope up with his handsome move, whatever it means. He is very cool and next coming to Sushant Bhai is one of the caring person. He manages the ward very well and he is very good father. Everyone tells that. He is a very good father. Everyone should learn how to love a child. This Somya Bhai, yes. Somya Bhai is like a means my teacher. Every time we used to have a doubt, Ajay Bhai, me and Somya used to discuss for like 1 hour. In hostel, we standing our leg very that different language that biology is started. Somya used to like no, that different. Why bonds, why the pool is constructed. Somya has taught us many things. Even starting from Aradhya, he is like a very good teacher for me. Actually, Somya, I am very thankful to you. Now to Utkal Bhai, yes. Utkal Bhai, still remember when your marriage day. That was a great day for all the medicine department, all of us. We enjoyed your Bharat too much, Bhai. It was that topi you gave, that was like an awesome gift for all of us. That even images are very good, Bhai.
How many Bhais are married?
How many Bhais are married? Now Vishnu has got married.
Isn't married?
Ashish bhai married.
So almost all bhais are married.
Who is not married?
Sushant is good. Yes. Coming to Vishal bhai, just now he got married. He's one of the caring bhai. Always के भावना साहू हुआ के तो भल्ला सुनता नहीं. And he's one of the caring bhai and he always takes care of the word too much. Very properly takes care of the word. And he's also very talented guy. He just now he got married. He gave us that treat in the dhaba. Bhai, I'll thank you for doing. We all are thankful for that. Coming to Deepak bhai. Deepak bhai is one of the coolest guy in this batch. He's called the Buddha. He always laughs. Whatever thing maybe. And he's the best noir manager. I must say. He's one of the laughing personality of this whole second year again. Third year again. Sorry. Yes. So before I don't know all the first years, but I know Barsa and Pritish. Barsa and Pritish, they are very loyal. They always love us so much, and we also love them too much. They are always obliged to patients. They come to the right time. They are very cool. Like you say, they are very near to us. And I don't know all of them, so it is a great event. I welcome all of you from our batch and all our teachers. That you guys are most welcome to our department. You guys like our heart, we are genius, and we will always love you and we will try our best to give the best love we can give all of you.
ಈ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮಂಟೆಗಳು
ಸಂವಾದ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ତାପରେ ବାନ୍ତି ପବନ ଉଠଉଛି ଆଗ
ଆମେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ
ଲାମା ନ କରିପାରିଲେ ମତେ ବେଶୀ କଥା ହଉଥିଲା।
अरे वो सच में रो रही क्या अरे वो डरा मत रहे उसको ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍ ତମ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି गैस भी बेच लामा इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट लामराज बेच रहे ओनली शेष समय पड़ा
मैडम आपण भी कर दियो मैडम मैडम हाथ में मैडम का दोसा मैडम जी
ऐसे तो हाथ खराब है जेडी किछि हबली कर
वीडियो कर वीडियो कर सट्टा दे नो हाथ लगे
नहीं मैडम आपको इंजेक्शन
ऑक्सीजन लगा हबो फर्स्ट एड सिटी स्कैन पे कर लिया तो तापर हमें देखिबो इंजेक्शन तो दिया होचे ना
नहीं मैडम ଚାଲିଛି ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍ କାଗଜ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍ ହାର୍ଟ ଆଟାକ୍ ବ୍ରେନ୍ ଆଟାକ୍ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ସିଏ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ କହିଲେ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ କି ଯାହା ବଡ଼ ଅଞ୍ଚଳ ଗଲେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ବଡ଼
ଆମେ ଜାଣିବୁ କେମିତି କଣ ହେଇଛି
ସିଧା ଡକ୍ଟର
କାଢିବ
ସେ ମୁଣ୍ଡ କଣ ଅଛି
ସିଟି ସ୍କାନ କାଢିଦେବେ ତାପରେ
ନାଇଁ ଆମେ ଜାଣିନୁ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ କାଇଁ ଖୋଜିଲା ନାଇଁ ଆମକୁ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଆଇସି ଦରକାର କାଇଁ ଦେବେ ଆପଣ ଦିଉଛନ୍ତି ନାଇଁ ଆମେ କେ ବୁଝେଇଲୁ ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ଡକ୍ଟର
ଆମେ ଏବେ ବାହାରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଡି କରିଦେବୁ 8,000 ଟଙ୍କା ପଡିବ
ଆଡମିଟ୍ କରିଦେବା ତାକୁ
ଡକ୍ଟର ଗୋଲା ସ୍ୱାଇଁ मिस मेडिसिन होचंदी डॉक्टर वर्षा राणी स्वाई
ବର୍ଷା ଏଇଟା ଡେଫିନେଟଲି
ତୁ ପାର୍ଟି
And with this, our event is ending. Bye bye.